Well, Prime Minister was in Kerala today and he has taken a Tharoor jibe at the Congress party today. Dr. Tharoor was on stage. Remember, he is the MP from Thiruvananthapuram and he belongs to the Congress party. And Prime Minister Modi, in fact, took a dig at the opposition, saying that Mr. Tharoor's presence will also give sleepless nights to several people. In fact, he has also said that the message has already reached those that it was intended for. Let's take a look at what he said.
हमारे मुख्यमंत्री जी से भी मैं कहना चाहूंगा, आप तो इंडी अलायंस के बहुत बड़े मजबूत पिलर है। यहां शशि थरूर भी बैठे हैं और आज का ये इवेंट कई लोगों की नींद हराम कर देगा। कल मैसेज चला गया जहां जा रहा था।
Some political comments that the Prime Minister made, saying that this is a sign of the changing times, that you have a communist government here. The minister here had made a reference to Mr. Adani or the Adani Group being a partner in change, and he said that this is something that is signifying the changing times, that a communist government talks about a private entity, in this case Adani, as a partner. The second part that he said was that with Mr. Pinarayi Vijayan, who is very much a part of the India Alliance, and Dr. Shashi Tharoor here on the same stage, he said it's going to be giving sleepless nights to some others. The third part was he took a dig at Mr. Adani, saying that the kind of a port that has been developed at Vizhinjam, he's going to have to answer questions in Gujarat, because he has been building the ports or associated with the ports in Gujarat for the last 30 years, and the kind of port that he has built here is something that is not matched elsewhere in the country. And he also spoke about the fact that this will become an engine for trade and growth and economic prosperity, bringing in jobs as well for the people of Kerala and for the country as a whole, pushing or propelling the country towards Viksit Bharat. In Thiruvananthapuram, at the Vizhinjam International Seaport, with camera person SP Babu, Uma Sudhir, NDTV.
I don't know on what ground Prime Minister is saying like this. But really, now what is going to happen in this country, the Prime Minister will have the sleepless nights. Not the India Alliance parties, not Rahul Gandhi, not the Congress party. Because we are going to put maximum pressure on him on this issue of caste census